handle some of these duck eggs. Looks like these are ring teal. And you can see they've started developing. You can see the veins in them. And these are marble teal. You can see they've started developing. You can see the ear sac. You can see the veins. See a little bit of movement in them. Looks like we got 10 marble teal, and then there's 6. These are blue wing teal. Until they're starting to develop. And we'll check them at a later date. You see the veins in that one real good. You see the movement in it. We'll check them at a later date and see how they look. There's 2 Lasian teal, and you can actually see him moving in it. Let's see if I can turn it around. You can see his beak up against the shell there. See him moving in the ear sac, so he'll probably hatch here in the next couple of days.